This 2025 Tiffin Phaeton 35CH is a Class A RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features a linen, tight interior, sleeps 6, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, couples coach, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. This 2025 Tiffin Phaeton 35CH is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.